Welcome to MAKISPAX Royale. Today we'll be seeing a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex which is located within the environs of Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria. Quite spacious. You can have your sofa on this side, your telly on this side, and your sofa. And you can have your dining area to this side, so you can keep in all those itineraries here and there, making it beautiful. So let's move into the kitchen space, our fully fitted kitchen. Here is our fully fitted kitchen. We have our granite island, a marble countertop. I love the blend of this. It actually gives the kitchen another feel of its own. We have our cabinet, tons of storage spaces here. We have the heat extractor. We have our gas stove here, and we have our oven on this side. Our gas sink can decide to use here. Here. And we have our store on this side and our pantry. So let's head upstairs. Okay, before we head upstairs, we have one room. These are guest rooms where your guests have a cool time. It's 6x4 bedroom here, perfect. We have these in place, our wardrobe, and this side where a visitor can keep in his or her stuffs. And we have our toilet and bath all en suite. Let's move upstairs. Nice stair railings. I love the color, silver color, and the Italian tiles, neatly done. This is our second room to my left hand side. Spacious. We have our minimalist walk-in closet. On this side, we have our toilet and bath all en suite. Moving to the second bedroom to my right hand side, quite spacious. Can also take 6x4 bed, similar to the previous room. We have our wardrobe here. Lots of storage spaces where you can store your bags, your shoes, lots of storage spaces. Below you can keep in your shoes, more spaces up here. And we have our toilet and bath all en suite. We have the toilet, we have the sink, we have the faucet, the shower head, floor to ceiling tiles. I'm moving over to our master suite. Into our master suite, your grace with the wardrobe, lot of storage spaces, here. You your clothes, your shoes, all your clothing, everything. And spacious. This is big. It's big. I love lighting features. Beautifully done. You had a nice view with me. This property is in the market now for 60 million naira. Before I forget, have you clicked on the notification bell to notify you when I drop other juicy offers here on my YouTube channel? And also kindly subscribe and please share among family, friends and loved ones. Till I come your way next time, from here is a bye. See you soon.